Boat rental companies provide services to both seasoned boaters and those searching for an enjoyable and unique experience on the water, offering a range of vessels from compact motorboats to roomy yachts. In such a specialized industry, accounting and bookkeeping are essential for success. Let's explore the importance of bookkeeping and accounting for boat rental services. Cost-benefit analysis, draw-in investors, profitability analysis, revenue tracking, expense management. At Meru Accounting, we specialize in providing comprehensive bookkeeping and accounting services for boat rental businesses. Our expertise helps you analyze costs and benefits, attract investors, evaluate financial performance, and manage risks effectively. Let's explore the core aspects of bookkeeping and accounting for boat rental services. Financial reporting, payroll and employee expenses, regulatory compliance, customer relationship management integration, budgeting and forecasting, depreciation and asset management. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting for boat rental services. Comprehensive financial statements preparation, payroll management solutions, regulatory adherence and tax compliance, fleet management and maintenance tracking, CRM and accounting system integration. Asset tracking and depreciation services. Proper bookkeeping and accounting are important for boat rental business to ensure financial stability and compliance. Partner with Meru Accounting to simplify your boat rental business with our expert bookkeeping and accounting services.